you how to troubleshoot your shift key. If your shift key on your keyboard isn't working, then you have to follow this process I'm about to show you right now. Go to your computer and then you right click, then you go to your property, go to your device manager, and here is a keyboard. So you right click and then you click on update driver software. Then you click to search for it. Now I'm searching for it online. These are the processes you go through. This is the first one, and just wait. Sometimes your keyboard needs to update its drivers, so that's the need for you to do this. And once you're done with that, you can scan for hardware changes. Yes, that is one of the steps, and then you try it. You try your shift key to ensure that it's working. And if it doesn't work, this is the second step you go to. Click on your Windows button and then type the word ease. Go to your ease center, and then click here, to be sure, and you click on make the keyboard easier to use. Then ensure that all of these places are turned off. If they are turned on, turn it off. Ensure they are turned off. Okay, ensure they are turned off, and then you apply and you press OK. Thank you everyone, and this is the methods to do it. After doing both of these things, then your keyboard shift key will come alive, and definitely it's gonna work. Make sure you like my channel and come back for more. Thank you.